Hey, welcome back to Design AI Stack, where I share practical AI workflows for you designers. So today it's really interesting find on Figma Make. I've been creating a lot of prototypes this past couple of weeks on Figma, and the thing that bothers me is always regenerating the same components. So I found a way to not do that anymore because I've been burning a lot of tokens and reaching almost my limit, I think. So here's a practical way for you to create a component library and then reusing it that way. So let's dive in. So what I'll do is creating a new Figma Make file. My prompt is pretty simple. Create a Nova UI component library that's reusable components for Make prototypes. Start with a base layout and we can add one component after. Very simple prompt. Don't forget to attach your design system. In this case, at bottom, our design system is called Nova. I'll just attach that and you can hit submit. What it will generate is really cool. It's like storybook. It's lists the components with the variants, size, states, and with icons. So in one shot, it actually did a pretty good job. I'm pretty happy with this. It's also a good way to test your design system files on Figma to make sure AI understands it. And in this case, it did. So I'm pretty happy with this. So what I've done here is publishing a template for the team that includes the brand logo, the top bar, basically a to-dos card, a search bar, and also a bottom navigation. So this is pretty standard so that you can always, easily start a new project with all of these. But the problem is, let's say for instance, this to-do card, it comes with a cool interaction. And if I were to use it in another component, it's very difficult to reuse this. So I found a way. I added the to-do card component, and it also comes with a live preview so that I can see exactly the kind of interactions that I want. And when I'm happy with this, all you have to do is pushing it to GitHub. As you know, Figma just have launched this new connectors feature where you can connect to things like Notion that you've seen in my previous video. So this time I've connected it to GitHub, created a new repo, and start pushing my components there. So in this case, I have also added a new section just so that other designers can quickly grab the prompt and paste it in their project. So let's give this a try. So it's connecting with MCP, it's getting the file contents, hit run. There you go. So you can see here that it has reused my component. If you switch back to, let me drag this in here, my live preview. So you can see it's actually reusing the same effect that I have here as well. So all you have to do now is go back to your UI component library and start building out all your components so that your team can start using them and remain consistent. Thank you.